popped. Just went boing! Broken the case. It was like it was tight, and it made it pop like 2 months ago, and then it finally just fell apart. One of the cores broke. And this is the G string right there. And that's the one we'll be changing. This one here, you can see how it's wrapped.
Where's the G? Where is it again?
This one.
Oh.
See the one with the string coming out there?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to take it off. Oh my God, those are machined. Oh yeah, those are just like baseball. Really slow.
You just put it in the slot and twist it then.
Yeah, as long as you know which way to turn it. It's kind of hard here, you can't see any movement. Okay, that's going, I guess that's tight.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see it there. There it is, see the gold slot?
Keep going, keep going,
see it?
keep going. There it is.
Yeah, so it is a slot.
Okay.
Kind of amazing.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
Just cleaning the board. I could put wax on it, but layers of graphite. The varnish doesn't stick to it. That's why you get all these things coming off here, is because it's coming off of that. It's so slick. It's not meant to be stuck on there. They shouldn't have it. You got to sand it off. You don't want it on there.
What's that fuzzy thing over there?
That's a trizzle.
A trizzle? Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay, so I'm pulling this off. That's the G string. This is the one I'm going to take out. This might be able to work on a bass guitar. You never know. Yeah, that would work on a bass guitar for a little bit before it blows up. This here, you could put full bass strings if you want to. 3/4, you just stick your ball in there. There's your normal bass strings. And they go through like this, and then they go back in the hole. But the thing is, they should have put something here like a nut that had tracks on it, so that it doesn't damage it, and it just has a nice track. You can make some, I guess. They didn't put one in. I guess maybe, I don't know what the... Okay, so that's just a mute. I'll pull that off. Trying to get that. Gotta get alcohol to pull that stuff off.
You use coffee tree leaves or anything?
Yeah, it takes off the rosin.
It takes off the rosinous coffee tree leaf with rosin.
I gotta take that off. Stick G. That's the. This is medium. What do you call it? Medium tension. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger, a little fatter. And that's right there is the brand. What do you call it? For NS, which is this. Just a little bit. Hopefully. Okay, and I'll put the other string in here. Slightly different. This has brass, bigger nut. Probably a better string. Way bigger nut. Better wrappings too. And it definitely is thicker. Thicker, I think. It looks. Actually, it's not that much thicker, but it looks hard and more wild. This is broke, that's why. Let me pull this thing off. There's a brass washer. I'll keep the brass washer too. Brass washer in the felt. Okay, it's brass, thin felt. Okay, that makes sense. So I'm going to stick that right in there. God, I could have made it. The keyboard should have been. You didn't even have to put any finish on it. And this is good. Okay, this is a different type of string. This is a medium tension. Look at the size of that. It looks pretty good. There it goes. Flip it back. I gotta remember to use the pencil on it. Okay, the pencil. This is probably an H6. This is a soft 2, which isn't that soft. And that's it there. Okay, and then I'll go over here on this one, on the nut. That's the bridge, this is the nut. And this is all, it looks like graphite. Some sort of form of graphite. Okay, see if that'll work. That's, you don't have to worry about that until I figure out this mess. Oh yeah, this is gonna be something else. So, this is a lot bigger than the other one.
You want me to get the power drill?
Yeah, they do have drills to do this. I'm gonna start there and work my way back and go that way, then come back, I guess, because it's so damn long. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a while. And you want to have it, but it has to be on the end of it. So I'm trying to make it so I can wrap it, come back again. It's going there now. I should have started over here, I guess.
Well, you got like an extra 6 inches of wire.
Yeah, I know.
This
It's like a 3/4.
I don't think that's gonna fit on there.
Tell you not to cut them. Not to cut these base files. You don't cut unless you got the bucks. This is red. The other ones are black. That's the cheaper ones, I guess. Oh God. Gotta make sure that's in there. It's not gonna fall off. Okay. Then I'm gonna come back. I may try to go back, go one loop and then come back.
How's this gonna work? You got like an extra foot of wire there.
At least I got the fabric on. That's why it's on there, to keep the friction on it. Well, these are so good that you can pretty much, well, have it on. Have it in the center or in the end. How was it doing down there? I didn't look. Is it in the slot? Kind of, not yet. That's the bridge down there. I gotta check it. It's starting to tighten up pretty good now. Yeah, that's looking nice. Okay, let me stop it here and go back by the bridge. I'm gonna go by the bridge. I'm gonna make sure I'm not de-wiring it or something.
Oh, you're folding up the base.
Where's the thing? Right there, okay. Okay. Now I just gotta remember which way to turn it. Okay, I think it's going on. I don't wanna, okay, I just let it sit there for now.
I think it's too loose.
Ooh, that's a loose one. Watch it just break off the pegs. Let me take a look at it that way. Flipping it. No, that looks nice. Let's see if it worked over here. See if everything's fucked up or screwed up. Oh, that looks nice. It's got the brass. Looks like it's locked. These are way better string. I don't have to buy a whole full set, I guess. It's better than waiting 4 days for them to show up. Okay. So all I'll do is just tune it up. I ain't gonna do that now, but